Hello everyone. Next we are going to use this curler and then we are taking hair from both the sides one by one and then converting them into a braid. After the braid is ready, we are going to apply a rubber band on it and then your simple easy hairstyle is completed. You can even use more accessories to it if you want. Next we are going to take a ponytail, twisting it around and applying the spin to our hair to the one side and then taking the excess hair and then folding it out inwards with the help of this pin, and your hairstyle is completed. Next we are going to take hair from both the sides and joining it with a rubber band and folding it once. Then we are going to convert the hair into a ponytail, again applying a rubber band at some space and then folding it inward direction and applying this bobby pin to it, and your bun is ready. Next to our ponytail, we are going to loosen it up a little bit and then we are going to apply a pin on the one side and taking the excess hair and folding it out with the help of this bobby pin, and your simple hairstyle is completed. Next to our low ponytail, we are going to apply a pin and then at some space we are going to fold it out with the help of a rubber band, and it's ready. Next we are going to take all of our hair and then by using our finger we are going to fold our hair into this bun, and we are going to apply this clip on our hair for securing this bun, and your hairstyle is ready. Next we are taking all of our hair and then folding them out into a bun and then applying this beautiful purple clutcher for securing the hair. Next we are going to take all of the hair and making a loose ponytail with it, as you can see, and then applying this clip or a rubber band. After that we are going to apply this fluffy rubber band to our hair. Next we are going to take a high ponytail and then by using this tool we are going to fold it from the inward part and then we are going to fold it into a voluminous bun and securing it with a clip. Next we are going to take all of our hair and then we are going to make a low ponytail and then applying a clip on them and folding them into a bun for securing the hair.